Hello everyone, welcome to Bizotic. In our previous video, we learned about the concepts of the topic coding and decoding, and now in here we are going to discuss about 5 problems that's related to the topic coding and decoding. Let's just start with a question. If 1111 is equal to R, 2222 is equal to T, 3333 is equal to E, 4444 is equal to N, 5555 is equal to what? And we have got options, say W, X, Y and Z. Let's solve this problem. First of all, we need to observe the information that we already have, and we have 4 sets of instruction already given. So the first one, 1111 is equal to R. So we can see here that what we have done is we have added all the ones so that we can get this number, which is a 4. Now the last letter of 4 is R. So that's why we have 1111 is equal to R. So this part is done. Next we have 2222 is equal to T. So the same formula, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8, and the last letter of 8 is T, and that's why we have 2222 is equal to T. The next one is 3333 is equal to E. So similarly we just have to add all 4 threes and we get the value, which is 12, and then later on the last letter of 12 is E. So that's why here it is E. And then 4. When we add all 4 fours, we get 16, and the last letter of 16 is N, and that's why we have got this N. And then later on the actual question of us, which is 5555, and the answer is 20. So the last letter of 20 is Y, so the answer will be Y, which is our option C. Let's move on to the next question. If in a coded language 45 is equal to 41, 23 13, 52 is 29, 71 is 50, what about 29? So let's see the option 23, 26, 53 and 85. Let's solve this question. First of all, we have to again look into the given information that's given. So first instruction is 45 is 41. So when you just separate 4 and 5 and do their squares, we get the answer, that is 41. So next what we have to do is just do it for all the instruction that's given. And when we do it for 23, we see 2 square plus 3 square, we get 13. And then next when we do for 52, separate and square it. 5 square plus 2 square, we get 29. And the next one is 71. When we do 7 square plus 1 square, we get 50. So the obvious is 29. When we do 2 square plus 9 square, we get 85. That is 4 plus 81, which is 85, which is our option D. Let's do the third question. Now this question is related to letter coding. Emblem is coded as 216, crude is coded as 125. Similarly, cricket will be coded as what? So the options are 225, 196, 256 and 343. Let's solve this question. The logic involved here in this question is number of letters in the word to the power 3. So first we'll take the example of emblem. Emblem has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. So number of letters is equal to 6. So we just have to do the cube, find 6 cube, and we get 216, which is the given instruction. So next we do the same thing for crude, and here we know the number of letters in the word crude is 5. So when we do the 5 cube we get 125. Now next one, our question, which is cricket, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what we have to do is find 7 cube and we get the answer 343, which is our option D. Let's solve the next question. If go is equal to 32 and she is equal to 49, then sum will be equal to what? And we have got options 56, 58, 62 and 64. Let's solve this question. Now what we have to do in here is find the position of GO and also SHE. Now when we do that, from the reverse order, like do not count from A to Z, count from Z to A. And when you count from Z to A, the positions of G will become 22 and O will become 12. So when you count both the G value and also the O value, we get 32, which is there in our question. So now we have got the logic in here, and just try it for the next instruction which is given, which is she. So S will be in the 8th position when we count from Z to A, and H will be in the 19th, E will be in the 22nd. So when we count all of these three things together, we get the answer 49, which is here in the question. Now just do the same thing for the question sum. S is in the 8th position, O in the 12th, M in the 14th, E 22nd. So when we count all of that, we get the answer 56, and that is our option A. The last question. Good is coded as 164, bad is coded as 21. If ugly is coded as 260, and jump will be coded as what? The options are 240, 140, 136 and 180. Let's solve this question. Now good is a 4-letter word, and when you just count all of this, G will be in the 7th position, and here it is not in the reverse order, it is in the proper order from A to Z. When you count, G will become 7th, O as 15th, O 15th, D 4th, and when you count all of that you get 41. But here in the question we have got 164. So how do we get 164 from the number 41? That is by just multiplying it by 4, which is the letters 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly we do it for bad. And bad, we know that we have 3 letters. So when we count the position of B, which is 2, and then A is 1, D is 4. When we count all of that, we get 7, and 7 into the number of letters, which is 3. So we get the answer 21. Do it for ugly. Now U is in the 21 position, G 7, L 12, Y 25, and when you calculate the sum of it, you get 64. 64 into number of letters U, G, L, Y, which is 4. 65 into 4, we get 260. Now do it for jump. And you know the given information is it is 4 letter. So we have to just find out what number it is multiplied with. So we know J position 10, U 21st, M 13th, P 16th. So it is totaling up to 60. So that means 60 into 4, which is 250. So our answer will be option A, which is 240. I hope all the 5 questions was easy to solve with the given solution. Thank you for watching.